Alright, bro. Listen up, y'all, boy. In this video, I'm gonna show y'all how I make. Listen to me. How I make my thumbnails for my Fortnite and for my Madden. I mean, I'm gonna show y'all a little easy way. I see everybody do a little fancy way, and they got it all iced out and stuff like that. I ain't with that because you probably got to pay for all that stuff, all that software and all that. I'm gonna show y'all an easy way of doing it. All right. So there's this app called Pixlr, right? I think it's Pixlr or whatever you call it. I'm gonna put the link in the description, but it's called Pixlr right there. It's right there. It pops straight up. See how it is? It's free. It's free. So you know me. I cheap. You know I gotta have free. It's free. So you sign up and get your email or whatever. I got it free. So I said try Pix. I try it, and then what you do is you create a thing, the thumbnail thing, the size of the thumbnails for YouTube recommended is 25. So we go 25 60, and then we're gonna go 1440. And then I got it untitled. Let's just put Fortnite. There you go, Fortnite, and then hit create. So after that, that's your template right there. Template, whatever you call it, that's right there. It's all set up. It's all set up. Boom. All right, now so what we gonna do? We're gonna find a background for Fortnite. Actually, I already got one right here. You could just go. I just do it new. Just type it. Just go to Google. Google. I don't know why my computer acting stupid right now, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me. All right, so go to Google. Type in Fortnite. If y'all know how to spell Fortnite, and then type in background. You can type in background, wallpaper, whatever you want to do. So I type in Fortnite background. I'm actually about to do this for my video tonight. Man, what is all this stuff on my computer, bro? Gone out the way. Gone out the way. What? Black Friday? I ain't got no money for that. Anyway, I don't know why it wouldn't come off the screen, bro. Like, it legit wouldn't come out. I'm hitting the exit button. Like, what's going on? Get your deal here. Sell ends. Let's just go there. All right, now get the hell on. All right, so yeah, while I doing that, we gonna exit out that. But yeah, so we gonna find a background, right? This is how I do. I look up a background. I might just skip this and just come back to a part to where I find a background, because not too much backgrounds out here. Not too much good backgrounds out here. I think I already used this. All right, y'all. So listen, I found a background, right? It's kind of, but I found a background. Matter of fact, let me see if I can go this one. This one look better. So I found this background, right? So what we gonna do? We gonna right click, and we gonna hit save image as, and whatever y'all save y'all images as or wherever at, just save it. Save it right there. Now let's go back to this Pixar thing. Let's add layer. Let's add image. All right. Let's go wherever I saved that picture. I don't even know where the picture at though. Where is the picture? I just had the picture. I don't know where I put it at. I think that's it right here. So we gonna look at it. We gonna blow this up. We gonna make this right here. See how this looking? See how this looking so far? Then we gonna blow it right here. There you go. Bam. That's it right, right there. Bam. Y'all like the background? I mean, it's kind of blurry or whatever, but it's supposed to be blurry because we don't need to see that. We just need to, All right. So next, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go to Google. You can go back. Matter of fact, we already in here. Alright, then what we gonna do is already Fortnite. We're gonna back this out. We're gonna do characters. Somebody call me. We're gonna do characters, and then we're gonna do PNG for the transparent background PNG. Alright, so now what we gonna do? I mean, it's up to y'all. Whatever character y'all want to pick. I switch it up. I go different character, different character, different character. But whatever character y'all want to pick, just make sure they got this background with the little dots in the back. That's the transparent thing, so you can have the best. I mean, even if y'all don't have that, I'll show y'all how to do the PNG thing yourself. But I'm just trying to rush through this right quick just to make a little short video. I don't know if the video will be short, but I'm gonna show y'all how to do Madden too, so the video might be long. But I'm gonna come back to when I find one that I like. I don't see one right now that I like, so I'm just come back. All right, man. Listen, we back. I actually find one I like. I didn't find one. I typed it in. I put Fortnite Iron Man PNG, so it's right there. So you can either do one or two things. You could right click and you can hit save image as, and you can save it in your pictures or whatever. Or you could do this. I'll show y'all this later too. You could do this. You could drag him right there. Hold him and drag him right there. And then the way you could put him on here, you could hold him and drag him right there. See? Or what you could do is delete, and you could hold on. Let me blow this up. And you could hit layer, add image as layer. Then you go, where is he? He right there, and you could put him right there. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Let me blow him up a bit. Let me see. I don't think I like this. I mean, it's better than nothing. And that's it right there. You see what I'm saying? Now look how that look. Look how that look. That's it right there. All right. So now what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna drag him down a little bit. I'm gonna put him like this. So now what I'm gonna do? I forget why I named this video, but now I have a Fortnite PNG. I call it a brand. I brand my own thing. See all my PNGs right here in this folder. So what I do, just to make it look a little better, you know, to fill in the backgrounds, I drag that out of there and put that right there. Add current, X out of that, blow this up, put this right here. You know, so the background don't look plain, man. Normally the background look plain. I'm actually not gonna upload this one. I like this one. I'm gonna save this one for later, and I'm gonna upload something else. But I'm just showing y'all a quick little way. All right, so I got this, and I got him. I got Iron Man. You see how that looking? Look how that looking so far. All right, now what I'm gonna do? You hit Add Text. And then you double click, and it said, "Do you want to add a new text layer?" So I hit yes. Let me exit out of that. So now I had to double click, and you just add anything you want. Let me see what could I name? I forget the title of the video I'm about to make. What can I name it? Give me a second, y'all. Give me a second. What could I name it? Oh, I know, the best I've ever played. All right. So now that that's done, you can add this right here. Don't worry, we're gonna blow this up. The style that I use, I think it's called Boarhead or whatever the hell. Yeah, right there. Boarhead or whatever the fuck that should say, you know. I can't see. I damn near blind. But we're gonna put it like that. Then we're gonna blow it up. We're gonna blow it up. We're gonna blow it up to the desire that you want it. Blow it up. This is not gonna be my final cut, by the way. I'm just showing y'all how to do this. So and then what I do is I go to styles, I go to layer, I go to color, put it down to the black. Then this the outline. So this the size. We're gonna go right there. We're gonna make it, and then we're gonna add a shadow. We could put the shadow to white, and then right there, bam, that's it. That's your thumbnail. Look how easy that been. This is how I make my easy thumbnails. Now tell me that don't look hard. I don't know how these other people make it, but that's how easy I make my thumbnail. My dog going crazy right now. Look at my leg and stuff. He must want to go outside. But that, and then you go back here. Then you move this back over. See, see the little purple thing? It'll tell you when it's in the middle, so you don't have to worry about lining it up. Look, watch where it tells me to stop. See, it's telling me it's in the middle right there, so that's the middle. And then it'll tell you when it's in the middle too. See, so they're the best I've played. And then if you want to fill in the background, like I said, you can add more stuff. But I fill in the back. See, look, watch this. Look how plain that look. It just look plain. So I add this Fortnite. I always add this Fortnite thing. I either add this, or if I have a lot of room to the top, what I add is the other Fortnite thing, which is this. I add this, and what I do, I normally put this. If y'all look at my videos, I normally put it up here. Y'all be like, well, the white thing in the background. I'll show you how to cut that out. Matter of fact, we cut that out right now. So you click on it, then you click this, the one stick, and then you click on the white part. That's how you cut stuff out. Click on the white part. You see that? You see what it's doing? And then you hit the backspace button. Bam, that's gone. And that's it. That's it. Then you click back on this arrow so you don't mess it up. That's it. So it's either, or I can do that right there, or I can blow this up and put this right here. But that don't look right. I normally put that in the corner. Like if I have a bunch of space to the top right corner, I normally put that in the corner. But then we're gonna do like this. We're gonna leave this just like this, bro. We're gonna leave it just right. See, I like my stuff to perfection, so it gonna take me a while to get this centered and everything right there. So bam, that's how I create my what you call it, my thumbnails for my Fortnite. And then you save it. You save it now. File, save. Make sure you save it as a JPG. So you hit high, and I go all the way up so the quality could be better. But see how it says size 2.2 megabytes? YouTube do not allow more than 2.0 megabytes for your photo for your thumbnail. So if it says that, what you're gonna do is go down a little bit. Normally at 99 is at 1.8. 1.1. There you go. Bam. That's the quality. And look, the best I've ever played. Fortnite. Look at that. And then you got the little Iron Man thing. Look at that. I'm gonna save this background. Actually, I'm just showing y'all how to do this. So next, what you're gonna do is hit download. So next, after you hit download or whatever, let it download, and then y'all know how you upload thumbnails. If you don't know how to upload thumbnails, then just hit holler at me at the bottom of this video, comment below, and I'll show you how to upload the thumbnail. But y'all should know how to upload thumbnails. And then after that, after you save it, see where mine's at. It depends on where you save your files at. All I gotta do is hit my folder, hit downloads, and it should be right here. I named it Fortnite. Remember that name you name it? That's gonna be the name of it. So Fortnite, and then you click on it. See, after you save it, you can't edit no more. So make sure. Oh, that's the Carolina Panthers one I did. I'm gonna show y'all how to do this one next. So after you did that, bam, look at it. Look at it. So that don't look fire, y'all. Please tell me that look fire. Please tell me that look fire. Y'all don't, and see the app is free. All these apps that people pay, I think, because it was one app that tried to get me to do it, and they asked me to pay like $15 a month or $10 a month. This app, not this app, this place right here is free. I'm gonna put the link underneath, down below, so y'all can know the link. It's free. And that's how I do my thumbnails, just like that. Easy, just like that. And I think it looks good. Y'all let me know if it look good or if it look bad. If it look bad, I can redo it or whatever. Y'all let me know. So next, I'm going to show y'all how to do the Madden next. But there you go, man. That's it for that. I'm going to hit the Madden next, and I'm going to show y'all how to do the Madden now. All right, y'all boys, so listen up. So I was just about to do the Madden one. I actually did the Madden one, but that video was like 15 minutes long itself, and I think this video right here will be like 12, 13 minutes. So if I put together, it's gonna be like 25 or 30 minutes. And nobody want to sit through a long video, watch a long video. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just upload this one. I'm gonna call it how to create a Fortnite thumbnail. I'm just upload this one, and then I'll do if y'all really feeling it and y'all like the Madden one, I'll upload the Madden one Friday or Saturday. Y'all let me know in the comments, man. Let me know, please. Let me know. Like, subscribe, whatever. Let me know, and I'll do the Madden. I mean, like I said, it's already done. All I gotta do is edit and post it. Like I said, it's already done. So if y'all really want to see it, just let me know, and I'll post it Friday or Saturday. So, but that's gonna do it for the Fortnite one, and I'm gonna post this one. And if y'all feeling it, if y'all like these how to's, let me know. Cause I still got a lot of how to's I want to do. I got a how to create a PNG for like the Iron Man one right here. How to create this. If it has the white in the background, I could do that. How to create a PNG. How to cut pictures out. How to cut them out of picture or whatever y'all want to do. Anything y'all want to know how to do, let me know, and I will do it, bruh. I mean, I appreciate all the support from y'all, boy. All my 89 subscribers or 90, I can't remember where I'm at, but I appreciate all the love and support, man. Y'all telling me I'm funny and this and that. It's funny because I don't try to be funny, but I appreciate it, man. I came a long way, like I said, man. If y'all want to hear some story times and stuff too, while I playing Fortnite to make the Fortnite videos longer, let me know, and I could do that too. I can tell y'all the first time I got my dog, the first time I this, the first time I that, the first time I that. Just let me know. But don't forget to like, subscribe, man. I'm out here, man.